Take a look at this thing. Kind of looks like a MacBook. It's not. It's the Megabook. A brand new laptop from a company you've probably never heard of. I'm gonna check it out. Tech it before you wreck it. I'm Kirk, and you know, I typically like to show you products that you can walk into a store right now and buy or shop for on Amazon. But sometimes I get my hands on things that we can't buy yet, and that's what this is. This is from a company called Tecno, T-E-C-N-O. You've probably never heard of them. They don't really sell a lot of products in the US, but in some countries, Africa for example, they're the #1 seller of smartphones. Think about it. They sell more phones than Apple, more phones than Samsung, more phones than Motorola and Nokia. So in other places, they're a pretty big deal, and at some point they may come to the US, but I got a hold of one of their brand new laptops. They just started making laptops. This is called the Tecno Megabook T1. It's got a 15.6-inch screen on it. It kind of looks like a MacBook, and with a name like Megabook, it makes you wonder if they're trying to play off that. I thought it was cool, and so I wanted to show you and check it out. Here is the Megabook in the box, to be mega, as it says here on the front. Tecno, the brand. Nothing extraordinary on the box on the outside here. You can see a side shot trying to show you how slim the Megabook is on the back here. This model is a Core i7, but they also sell this in an i3 and an i5. Let's open it up and see what's inside. And here you go, kind of that iconic silvery look. Looks like a MacBook, I think. I like how they designed Megabook into the back of this thing. You know, for a pretty obscure company we've never heard of, it seems like it's built pretty well. Feels relatively solid and high-end. It's got that metal feel to it. On the back, you've got some grills for your cooling. Looks like you've got maybe some speaker grills and some rubber feet. It's kind of it. Let's check out what else is inside the box here. A charging cube. It does seem like, by the way, that this box might have been opened before we got a hold of it, but this is a standard USB-C charging cube. The only difference here is that it's a European charging cube. You can see by the plug. So we will not be using that here in Colorado unless we get our hands on some sort of adapter. You've got a USB-C cable inside here as well. Just your standard affair USB-C cable. And that's it. That's all that's in this box. Just some pieces of foam to protect the laptop, and that's it. So we'll shuffle this box out of here. Opening it up, you can see the backlit keyboard. It's not turned on right now and it's not dark, but the keyboard is backlit. There's that 15.6-inch screen, which looks pretty nice. And overall, again, it's got a sort of MacBook-ish look. You see the little power button there with the fingerprint sensor built in. On the side, we've got a locking hole. We've got USB-C. We've got HDMI, standard USB, and another USB-C. We'll flip it over to the other side of the Megabook, and we've got kind of more of the same here, although we do have a micro SD slot for your memory card, 2 USB ports, and then we've got a headphone jack on the side. And that's pretty much it in terms of external ports. There's not much else to show you. I do want to point out this thing comes with 8 to 16 gigs of RAM, depending on which configuration you go with, 512 gigs or a terabyte of SSD storage. It's got a 2 megapixel selfie camera on the front for those video calls. And that's pretty much it. This is the Megabook unboxed from the company called Tecno. You can't buy this in the US right now. Based off conversions, it's probably going to start at under $500, so a relatively affordable, slim laptop. So I gotta ask you, would you buy a laptop? Would you trust a product from a company that you've never heard of, but they're doing $1 billion in sales in other countries? Throw that down in the comments. I'd love to hear your feedback. Of course, we'd also like it if you like this video and subscribe to this channel. We've got a lot more cool tech videos coming your way. Tech it before you wreck it. I'm Kirk.